Okay, here's my problem. I was thinking maybe I had clipped the wire on the boom, and thank God it's not. So I don't have to pull this back out here again. I have one more test flight to do with it tomorrow. And you see I got my navigation lights here at the bottom, and actually this one isn't even blinking. What's causing that? Okay. So says this one, right, this is the power, this is the green. I can unplug the green, and that's correct. Now, these two over here are supposed to be the whites. And if I unplug this one, white lights. Anyway, this is supposed to be a white one. This is a white one on this side. You see that white one went out? So, let me get this right.
Hey, big guy. I heard you lost a close one today. Look, Jamie, maybe we weren't a little straight this time. But when you show people that progressive directly and their competitors' rights, count them all. The important part is you help them save. Thanks, Flo. Let's go get you an ice cream cone, champ. The sprinkles? Sprinkles are for winners. I understand. This Wednesday, learn the ABCs of BS is a crucial skill to get you through life. I'm on my period.
Now I'm plugging that side and it don't work. It only works when I plug in to this socket. See that? Everything else works when I plug it into that one socket. So I'm thinking there must be a problem with this here. And what I probably can do is connect them all to this one socket so that they still work, and I can go ahead and ship this baby off. But I just wanted to show this off to the eBay seller and you guys, and get your second opinions and advice out there on what to have. And I'm thinking let's run them all in one socket.
So Dom got away because we're only 2 minutes late. Oh, so this is a pretty young thing I've heard so much about.
Nice to meet you, son.
My pleasure. Please come in. What the heck?
See, now that's the lights on top.
Set up camp. I wish I had known that.
So I think I should connect them all to one socket and contact this eBay seller and see if maybe I could have them send me out another module. But if I can connect them all to one socket, then I can go ahead and ship this baby out this week, man. These two ready to go. Thanks for watching.